Okay, so we have 2 points A and B, and we've defined the coordinates of C, which divides AB in the ratio 3:1. So where we're used to using the midpoint formula, where it divides it in half, this time it's divided into a different ratio. So here we have our formula. X1, Y1, X2, Y2 are our points here, so we can just label those straight away. And then A and B are our ratios. So A is 3 and B is 1. So what we have to do, since C divides the line AB, we have the coordinates AB, we can fill the values into our formula. So it's going to be R is equal to B X1 plus A X2 all over B plus A, and then comma B, which is 1, Y1, which is 3, plus A, Y2, and that is again all over B plus A. So then we have to work out each part individually. So you can either put this full part in the calculator and it'll give you back your answer, or you can just work it out individually. So we've got minus 5 plus 9, which is 4. So it's going to be 4 over 4, comma, and then over on this side we've got 3 minus 6, which is minus 3. And then that's all over 4. So then we can see our coordinate is 1 and minus 3 over 4. Sorry, just actually spotted a small mistake there. So we have, it's actually, this one was wrong, this should be minus 1. So then we can see the x coordinate when we work it out is going to be 4 over 4. And then we have the y coordinate, which is going to be 3 minus 3, which is 0. So it's going to be 0 over 4. So the point C has coordinates 1, 0. Then we're moving on to a second example. But this is where you just need to be very careful with the questions. Consider the points A, B, and C. And then given that the point B divides the line segment AC internally in the ratio 2:3, we've defined the coordinates of C. So this time, as opposed to the previous time where we were given the coordinates of the two outside values, we're actually given the coordinates of A and B, and we have to try to find C, which is the outside coordinate. Now we know this the point B divides it into the ratio 2:3, so now we have to figure out our values. So again, you're going to fill in the values into the formula. So we'll just write down the formula first of all, and then we're going to fill the values into the formula. Now this time it's going to be x1, y1, but then it's our C that's going to be x2, y2. So we're going to leave those as unknowns for now, and then we have our A, which is 2, and B, which is 3. So we're going to fill our values into the formula. So it's going to be B by x1 plus A by x2 all over 3 plus 2, and fill out the rest of it. So it's going to be B y1 plus A y2 all over 3 plus 2. Now we can simplify that a bit first of all. Now the good thing is we know what these coordinates are. We know that the coordinates are minus 4, 2. So what we can do now is we can put this part equal to minus 4, this part equal to 2, and we will be able to figure out our values for x and y. So first of all here, we're going to try to find the value for x. So it's going to be 12 plus 2x over 5 is equal to minus 4. So we're going to multiply by 5 on both sides to get rid of the 5 on the bottom. We know 5 divided by 5 is 1. So it's going to be 12 plus 2x is equal to minus 20. So it's going to be 2x is equal to minus 32. So x is equal to minus 16. And then we need to find the value for y. So it's going to be 18 plus 2y over 5 is equal to 2. Again, we're going to multiply by 5 on both sides to get rid of the 5 on the bottom. Anything divided by itself is 1. So we're left with 18 plus 2y is equal to 10. So then we're left with 2y is equal to minus 8. So y is equal to minus 4. So hence the coordinates of the point we were looking for, which was C, are equal to minus 16 minus 4.